Some regular French verbs end in IR. They are referred to as IR verbs since their infinitive ends in IR. What is the infinitive form of the verb? The infinitive form of the verb is the version of the verb which appears in the dictionary. In French, the infinitive is indicated by the ending such as IR. For example,
finir, choisir, remplir.
Verbs are regular when their conjugation follows a set pattern. In order to conjugate these verbs, you need to replace the IR ending with the appropriate ending according to the person or the subject of the verb in your sentence. Here are the endings of IR regular verbs in the present tense. Singular.
Je au G apostrophe, IS, tu, IS, il, IT, elle, IT, on, IT,
Plural.
nous, ISSONS, vous, ISSIZ, il, ISSINT, elle, ISSINT.
For example,
Finir,
to finish. Singular.
je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, on finit,
Plural.
nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent.
Notice that the verbs in the
Je, tu, il, elle, on.
forms are pronounced exactly the same way.
Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit, on choisit.
And remember that we do not pronounce the
INT,
at the end of a verb.
ils choisissent, elles choisissent.
For example,
Je remplis la tasse de thé. Tu choisis un livre. Il grandit vite. Elle réussit ses examens. On obéit au professeur. Nous réunissons nos amis. Vous applaudissez au spectacle. Ils bâtissent une maison. Elles finissent leurs devoirs.
here are some other regular IR verbs.
Agrandir, réfléchir, rougir, grossir, maigrir.